What's up, guys? Welcome to our Barre'd workout for today. So today we're going to be using hand weights. I have 3 pounds. You can use anywhere from 2 to 5 or even higher if you really want to feel that crazy burn. If you don't have hand weights, maybe some cans, maybe some water bottles, or use nothing and just really work the resistance in your muscles. That will always work for you. You don't need weights. You can always make do with your own body weight. So I have a chair here we'll be leaning on. So if you have a chair or a bar at home or a countertop, great. Most of these things you can also just lean into the wall. I did a video last week where I just used the wall, so if you need to see how I did that, you can check that out. But for today we have the chair here with us. So we're just going to do quick but total body workout, getting our heart rate up, and it's going to be awesome. So let's grab those weights. And we're going to start right away with, this is actually coming from, and make it into bar by doing a little bit of pulsing. So sparklers. So little mini circles as you're holding the weight. So your palms are sort of facing in. Then circling as you come up onto the tippy toes. And we'll go all the way up to the ceiling. So while you're doing this, trying to pull the core in, reverse the direction of the circles to lower back down, and maybe the heels come back down. So if you want an extra challenge, keep the heels up the entire time, even as you're coming down, and just work your balance the whole entire time, reversing the circles. And don't cheat yourself. Make sure you get all the way up to the ceiling. Don't stop at like shoulder height. Circles. Use your abs all the way up, all the way back, without crunching the shoulders, and reversing it, trying to keep that balance the whole time. Good. Keep going. I'm losing my balance. And back down. We got 3 more sets here. You got this, guys. Make sure you're breathing. That's going to help sustain. I'm going to lower my heels for this one. We got 2 more. Even if your heels are down, you're still engaged. Pull the core in, belly in. And we got 1 more set. Arms should be feeling pretty good. And back down. And release. Roll the shoulders out. And let's just take a stretch. So reach up, you can take the weights together and just take a little side bend over to one side and then center and over to the other side and center and release. I'm going to turn so you can see my form a little bit better. And then from here, a little bit of a bend in the knees and lean forward with the flat back. So you're not rounding or slumping. Tailbone is out. Lean forward. From here, we're going to do something called boxing. So one arm will come forward and the other arm will go back. So straight arms and reach. And we really want to get up high, right? Don't stop here. You're going to lose the work. Up and then center and reverse. Palms are in toward the body. Use your abs the whole time. Head is neutral. So we're working our back muscles too. Make sure you're breathing. Let's do 3 more sets. 2. Last one. Hold it here. Pulse both arms up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch. Pulse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up, roll the shoulders out. From here, I'm going to switch this to my lower pocket. See if that works out better for us. Let's try our next one. So we're going to start the same exact way. So parallel feet, bend the knees, step a little bit forward. From here, coming to a hug position. But as you open the arms, let the elbows come up. So you have more of like a goddess arm position, so 90 degrees in the elbows. And then bring it back into that round hug position. Lift the elbows and bring it in. Lift and lower. Use your abs. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. 5, course, we're gonna add pulses. 2, hold it open, pulse the elbows up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. And come up, roll the shoulders out. One more in this set, so targeting all of our arms here. We're gonna do, it's basically a row into a tricep move. So a little forward. Then straighten the arms, lifting them. Neutral head, pull the belly in. Let's lift, straighten, bend, lower. Lift, straighten, bend, lower. Lift, straighten, bend, lower. Lift, straighten, bend, lower. 2 more. Lift, straighten, bend, lower. We're gonna hold this straight. Hold it. Turn your palms up. Let's pulse the arms for 10, 9, 8, 7. Gonna get 1. Hold it here. Just the right. Being still. 3, 2, 1. Other arm. 10, 9, 8. Pull your belly in. And back to the palms in. Lift the elbows back up. Squeeze them in. And pulse your elbows in each other. For 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower. Roll it out. Whew. All right. From here, we're going to come into a squat position. So a wider stance here. And make sure you're digging your weight into your heels so you're protecting the knees. Let's take the arms out now. So the elbows are out. Bend the knees. If you need to rest the legs anytime, just straighten. Tuck the tail under. From here, we'll bring the arms in front of us so you're covering your face and open out. Try to get your forearms to touch if you can. And don't let the elbows drop. Let's keep them up high, open. Bring it in and out. In and out. In and out. 3 more like that. 3, 2. Now hold it open. Pulse the elbows back. Just little pulses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in front of you. Elbows together. Pulse up and up. Up. These are killers. Sink deeper in your squat. Pull the belly in. 3, 2, and 1. Come up. Roll it out, but we're going to come right into that position. Arms out. Bend the elbows. Bend the knees. Tuck the tail. Pull the belly in. From here, straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Keep going. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and hold it out. Circle the arms. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on, we gotta go the other way. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. Woo! And release. That was killing me. Roll the shoulders out. We should be feeling pretty good. Let's walk the feet back in. And we'll come to a more of a first position. So together, toes apart. Let's take the elbows, pin them in toward the body. Turn your hands so they're right in front of you, not out for this particular set. Heels together, toes apart. Let's come up onto the tippy toes, and we'll try to keep our balance. And let's take a bicep curl. We're gonna go all the way straight and all the way up to the shoulders. Straight to the shoulders. Try to keep your balance, pull the belly in. If you need to drop the heels down anytime, do that. And then reset. Breathe. Full range of motion here. 2 and 1. Now stop at that halfway point. Keep your hands in front of you. Mind we're opening a little. Let's go. Straight, center to the shoulders. Center. Straight, center to the shoulders. Center. How are your legs feeling? Your calves starting to burn? Keep kicking those heels up. Center to the shoulders. Center and down. Center, up, center, down. Keep it going. Breathe. 2 more. Center, up, center, down. Last one. Center, up, center, down. Lower the heels. Roll it out. Same position, but now we will take the elbows out. So elbows are in. Open now as wide as you can. Pull the belly in. Come up into your releve. Full rotation first, or full range of motion rather first. So straight arms all the way to the shoulders. Keep that outward rotation. in the arms and up. This should be more challenging. Working the rotator cuff. If you need to drop the heels, drop them. 5, 4, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Come to halfway. We'll go down to half, up to half, down to half, up to half, down, half, up, half, down, half, smile, down, half, up, half, down, half, up, half, one more down, half, up, half, and down, and release, and roll it out. Let's put the weights down for now, and interlace your hands behind you, and just stretch, lift the chest, maybe the head goes back, and breathe. And we'll move on to some lower body work now. So let's find our chair or counter or wall or whatever you have going on there. And we'll lean. We're going to take both hands on. It's important that when you're leaning, you're not just over and you're not going to come down too far. We're going to lean just a little bit. Maintain your posture. Let's come to our outward rotation. So heels together, toes apart. And let's take the right leg down behind us so your toe is pointing down. We're going to lift all the way up sharply and tap down. Lift and lower. The opposite leg is straight for this set. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, and let's take it down to half that range of motion. So don't tap down. Lift and come halfway down. Lift and half. Lift and half. Lift and half. We got 4, 3, 2, hold it up. Now little mini ones. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now keep that leg up. Bend the other leg, pushing into the heel so you're not forward with your weight shift. You're back in the foot. Arms should be straight. Pull the belly in, and we'll repeat the same thing. Tap down and lift. So that full range of motion, but focus on that standing leg working really hard. Dig through that heel so your glutes are fired up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Halfway and lift. Halfway and lift. Half and lift. Half and lift. 4, 3, 2, hold it up and pull. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up and relax for a second. Again, taking the left back behind you. You do have a bit of an outward rotation here. And keeping the leg on the floor straight for the first set. We'll lift straight up and down. Nice and sharp. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then halfway. Lift to the half. Hit lift to the half. Lift and lower. 5. Try not to tap all the way down. 3, 2. Hold it up. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. Don't rest. Bend into the opposite leg. Maybe even pull back a little bit onto whatever you were holding on to, and we'll go all the way down, all the way up. Dig through the heel of the standing leg and lift. Down and lift. Down and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and coming to halfway now. Half and lift. Half and 6. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place that foot down. And roll it out. Shake the legs out if you need to. Alright, let's come back into this. So we're going to take a weight and put it behind the knee. If you don't have a weight, you don't need one. You could also put a ball behind the knee or anything else, or even that can or that water bottle, but you also don't need anything. But if you have it, use it. So we'll come back into that same position. So you're squeezing the weight behind the knee and you're leaning just a little bit forward. Actually, I feel like I'm a little too close. So I want to have a little bit of room to lean. That's better. Okay, so we have an outward rotation in the standing leg. From here, we're gonna lift, flex that foot that is holding onto the weight, lift up and bring it just to the other knee, not in front of you. So lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. 5 more like that. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the standing leg, pull back a little bit. Same thing, knees come together and then press it back. In and out. Use your abs, pulling that belly in. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take the weight out and come up, and we'll switch sides. Put the weight behind the opposite knee. Again, leaning a little bit forward. Standing leg will stay straight for the first set. Bring it to the knee and lift. Flex the foot a lot. That's going to give you more work. Lift and bring it in. Keep it behind the standing leg. We got 3, 2, hold it up, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold, bend the standing leg, shift the weight back and bring it down and press it up. Again, knees can touch, but don't come more forward of the standing knee. Stay behind it. 4, 3, 2, hold it up and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up, get that weight, and we'll switch back to the other knee. Come forward again. This time, keep the knees together, and then we're going to open out to the side and bring it back in. But again, the knee's not forward, it's back. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to hold it open. Hold it. Now keeping that knee up high. Slide like your foot is, and your whole leg is sliding across the table so the knee doesn't drop. Keep it open. Keep it open. This should be killing you. You should feel it a bit in the lower back in a working way, not in a bad way. 3, 2, hold it open. Pulse that foot toward the wall that's to your standing leg's side. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Bend this a little bit. Open and close again. Open and close. Open. Make sure you're breathing. 3, 2. Hold it open and slide across. Keep that knee opening the whole time. Try not to let it drop. Keep the standing leg bending. Breathe. And hold it open. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Take that weight and roll it out. Shake it out. All right, last set in this little series. Take the weight behind the opposite leg. Lean into it. Standing leg stays straight for the first part. Good posture. Pull the belly in. Let's open the knee out and in. Second side's always harder because both sides of the glutes are now tired, fatigued. We got 4, 3, 2, hold it open and slide. Keep that knee up as much as you can. Breathe. 4 more. 4. Of course, we're adding the pulsing. 2, hold it open, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the standing leg. Pull back a little bit, shifting that weight into the heel, and then open the knee again and close. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. We got 4, 3, 2, hold it open and push, but keep that standing leg bending. Dig in through that heel. Protect the knee, but work the glutes a lot. 4 more. We're going to add those pulsing. 3, 2, keep that knee up. I just felt mine dropping. Hold it, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's take that weight, put it down. And let's stretch, so come over to your counter chair, parallel feet, bend the knees, take the right ankle to the left knee, and just pull back a little bit on your chair, stick your butt out, and lean into it. Be careful that you don't pull the chair if it's too light. Flex the feet a lot. And really stick your butt out, because if you tuck, you'll lose the stretch. Let's come back up, and we'll switch. Flex that top foot, stick your butt out, lift your chest up. And a couple breaths. And we'll come back up. And let's just take a little forward fold. Maybe step back, stick your butt out, and let your chest come down. If you're holding onto a surface that you can actually pull back on, maybe you pull. And then let's come all the way back up. Take hands to the lower back and just getting a little spinal extension. Lift the chest and drop the head back. And then let's turn. So our side is to the chair or the countertop. So I'm going to mirror you guys here. So let's take the left hand, the right hand to the chair, and the left arm is going to come out. Let's take a wide step. So we have nice outward rotation. We're going to come into a squat, and this is here for you, but you're not really using it. Think about it not being there. Let's bend into a plie squat. Then we'll shift the weight towards the chair or the counter and lift the leg up. So coming down, squat and lift. And we'll take the arm in front and then open it out as we lift the leg. And open. Down and up. Down, and again, maybe try it with no hand on the counter or the chair. See, 2. Let's 3, 2. We're going to hold it in the air, so maybe then you want to hold on. Let's pulse up. Pulse. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it there. Come forward and back. Forward and back. Use your oblique abs, right? Your abs are really working here. 3, 2, and 1. Now come back down. We'll pulse. Pulse. 4, 2. We're going to keep it down. Let's lift the right heel up and down. Same side. We're going to stay there. Keep this elbow up to work your arms. Lift and lower. Think deeper. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Belly in. 2 more. 2 and 1. Other side. And 8. Sink down. 7. Keep that elbow up. Breathe. 5, belly in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to alternate, and right and left. A little quick, right and left, right and left. We have 5, 4, 3. Are you ready for both feet? 1, and both heels. Up and down. Up and down. Really kick them up high. We got 5. Keep that elbow up. Sink deeper into the knees. 3. We're going to hold on. 1, 2. Hold it up and pulse down with the legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Go deeper. And release. Woo! That hurts. All right, are we ready? Shake that out. Of course, we have to do the other side. So I'm going to move my chair so that I can stay facing you guys. So we'll do the other side. All right, so from here, my chair is molting. From here, we're going to start in that squat position. Again, for the first set, maybe you just barely use that chair. Take your opposite arm out, and we'll squat and then lift, right? Squat and lift, squat, and then open the arm as you lift the leg. Use your abs. Think of that lift as coming more from your core than even the leg. Down and lift. Down and lift. 3, 2, and we're going to hold it out and hold. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up. Go forward and back. Use those abs. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. We have 3. Breathe. Keep that leg up. 2, 1. And back into that squat. And let's pulse for 8, 7, keep that elbow up. 4, 3, 2, sink a little deeper. Left heel and left heel. Good, lift and lower. 5, 4, keep those knees bending. 2, and 1, other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alternating, and it's a little quicker. Lift and lift. Lift and lift. 6, keep bending the knees. 5, breathe. 4, keep that elbow up. Belly in. 2, and then of course, both heels and lift and lower. Lift and lower. I'm laughing because I'm shaking and I'm dying over here. We got 5. We're almost there. 4, 3, pull that belly in. 2, let's hold this up. Hold it, pulse down with the legs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go deeper, and release. Woo! That is rough. Shake those legs out. A little bit of everything with those legs and with the arms. Now, let's move on to doing a little bit of core work. We can't forget about our abs, right? So we're going to come into a plank. And if you need to, drop to the knees. That's fine. Everybody's level is different. So let's come down onto the mat in your plank position and just pulling the belly in. Let's try to reach the right arm up and then bring it down. And we're going to go to the left side. Try not to let the body move too much. And left. And we got right. Use your abs. Left. Breathe. Right and left. Right and left, right and left. 2 more sets. 2 and last one. 1 and drop to the knees. You can sit back for a second and breathe. Heart rate should be up a little bit from those. All right, come back into that plank position. Let's lift the right leg up. We're going to bring it in and extend it out. Bring it in and out. Use your abs in and out. 5 more. 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put the knee down. Sit back or hold plank if you want to take it up a notch. And then we got the other side. Back to your plank or half plank. And left leg lifts. Bring it in and out. Every time you come in, it's a crunch for the abs. 6. We got 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Ooh, my arms are feeling that too because they're still fatigued from before. Roll it out. All right, let's sit and take the legs out in front of us. And just make sure you have a little bit of room behind you. All right, from here, reach the arms out. Let's roll down about halfway till you feel your abs engaged. And little mini crunches up and down, tiny movements. Feel like nothing at first, then they start creeping up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach the arms up. Same movement. 7, 6. Can you squeeze the legs together? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll down as slow as you can. All right. From there, let's bend the knees and plant feet. And you don't want your feet too close to you. You want to give yourself a little bit of room. So let the feet come a little bit away from you. And we'll take and lift the head and shoulders up. Pull your belly in. If you need to, you can put a ball behind the head. Or if you really need to hold on to the head, you can. From here, you're barely touching your legs. Barely. Little baby crunches. Lift and lower. Pull that belly back. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it, and babies, tiny minis. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. let's lift the legs into tabletop. So tabletop is here, you're not in. Just the knees are basically right over your hips. Let's take hands behind the thighs again, curl up. Same thing here, but arms maybe reach out or hold on if you need to. And little ones, little crunches. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up. Babies, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest and plant your feet down. And breathe. Deep breaths. Let's add a little oblique one, and then we will be done with this barred workout today. So let's bend the knees in, straighten the legs up. Let's all take hands behind the head for this one. We'll lower one leg down, and you're going to twist toward the leg that's closer to you. Keep the elbows out, and we're going to pulse the torso towards the leg. Keep going. We got 5 more. 5, 4, and then you're going to hold it on one hold. Keep those elbows open. Now pulse your leg in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees in and lower down. So now you got the flow of it on the other side. Really try to keep those elbows wide. Knees in, straighten the legs up. The other leg will lower. Twist toward the leg closer to you. Keep the elbows up and crunch from the torso. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Now the leg pulses in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees in and release. Extend the legs all the way out. And use your core to exhale and come up. If you can't do that, you can grab the sides of your thighs, flex the feet, and fold over the legs to stretch that out. And then come up, take hands down behind you, lift the chest, drop the head, spinal extension. If you want to lift the hips up for a reverse plank, you can. Stretching the abs a little bit. And then we'll release. And let's take one more stretch. Open the legs out wide, tall back, walking your hands forward. Don't slump. Keep pressing the chest forward, sticking the tailbone out, and flexing the feet a lot. Maybe you come down lower. Breathe. And then walk it back in. Bring the legs together. And you guys are done. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you later. Bye.